In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Shopify QR code. Let's start by navigating to Shopify's homepage. First up, making your way to Shopify is as simple as entering the URL into your web browser. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the main page of the Shopify platform. The next step is to log into your Shopify account. On the Shopify homepage, you'll find the login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Shopify store. It's important to ensure you enter the correct email to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure it's entered correctly before hitting the login button to access your Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for all things related to your Shopify store. Once logged in, head over to your store's homepage by selecting My Store followed by Home. This takes you to the central dashboard of your store where you can manage various aspects of your e-commerce business. Now let's get into the more specific task of generating a QR code. From your Shopify dashboard, find and click on the Settings button. The Settings area is where you can manage all the technical and operational settings of your Shopify store. Within Settings, navigate to the Apps section. Apps are essential for extending the functionality of your Shopify store, including the creation of QR codes. Once in the Apps section, you'll see an option to view all recommended apps. Click on this to proceed. You're now ready to dive into the Shopify App Store by clicking on Shopify App Store. The App Store is a treasure trove of applications designed to enhance your Shopify experience, including those that can generate QR codes. Within the App Store's search bar, you'll need to look for Shopcode. Shopcode is a Shopify app specifically designed for creating QR codes that link directly to your products or pages, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Upon finding the Shopcode app in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the app's detailed view, where you can learn more about its features and how it can benefit your store. Next, you'll see an Install button on the app's page. Clicking on this button will initiate the process to add Shopcode to your Shopify store. You might need to approve certain permissions for the app to function correctly, so read through and accept as necessary to proceed with the installation. After the app is installed, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can start creating your first Shopify QR code. Look for the button labeled Create Shopcode and click on it. This action will take you to a setup page where you can begin designing your QR code. On the design page, the first step is to highlight the text field labeled Highlight. This is where you'll enter the key details or promotional text for your QR code. Think of it as a catchy phrase or call to action that will entice users to scan the code. After you've entered your highlight text, the next step involves selecting the product you want the QR code to link to. Click on Select Product to open a list of all the products available in your Shopify store. Browse through and pick the one you want the QR code to feature. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide on how to generate a Shopify QR code by using the Shopcode app. QR codes can be a powerful tool in bridging the gap between your physical and digital storefronts, making it easier for customers to find and purchase your products directly from their mobile devices. Remember, the effectiveness of your QR code depends largely on its placement and the incentive you provide for scanning it. Consider placing your QR codes in strategic locations and accompanied by compelling copy to maximize customer engagement and drive sales. And that wraps up today's tutorial on generating a Shopify QR code. Whether you're looking to enhance your product packaging, participate in offline marketing campaigns, or simply make it easier for customers to shop, QR codes can be a simple yet effective solution. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.